developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much. You may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor.
Bitcoin and crypto price.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Yeah, G to the freaking M, trench lords. Welcome back to the Memecoin Show. Here we go. Here we go again. You already know what time it is. It's time for the Memecoin Show. My name is Great BTC, and I have my colleague here, Alex. Alex, are you in the room with us?
Right. Yeah, I'm here. Nice to meet you guys. Hi to everybody.
Chat, drop a W right now if you're excited for another moment of the Memecoin Show where we actually figure things out and we go to the freaking moon right now. Drop a W in the chat. Let me see you that you're there. We're going to repeat what we have been doing all along. We're going to drop some exciting gifts, giveaways. Some people are going to wake away with money. And also we're definitely going to find a runner for the day. I see that we have some echo. Okay.
Are we having it right now? I'm not sure. I'm not.
Yeah, we definitely have echo, and I know why, because I don't have headphones today. I need to plug them in. Okay, let me try this out. Give me a sec.
No worries. I can entertain guys for a little bit. So right before the stream, I was complaining great. What I missed a runner because I were able to buy at the price of 6 million, and the point we've been starting it was 17. And so the point we actually started, now the price is $5,000 US. So I never miss anything. I actually didn't got the rack pool, so I'm pretty happy about it.
GM guys, how is the audio right now? Is it still echoing or is it better right now?
Alex is at home. Fuck.
Alex is it, but he was echoing because I didn't have headphones. Now with my headphones, is everything perfect?
Yeah,
Alex is supposed to be, right?
I'm guys, very happy to see the same names every day here. I know these guys will make it for sure. Giancarlo, Jibrin Muhammad, like many of the people, I mean, obviously moderators, and thank you so much for being with us. But those guys are the G, right? If they are sitting with us here every day, dude, they will win it big.
Yeah, look, it's all about every day.
Right.
You guys have to understand. We don't really have to do all this every day. This is Friday. Can you imagine? I'm in Dubai. My site's still echoing. Okay. We're going to fix it soon. I'm just charging my audio setup right now because I forgot to do it. But at least it's better so you guys can hear us. But guys, you have to understand, we don't have to do this. I am in Dubai right now. It's the perfect weather of the year. Alex is now in Moscow. And you guys on your wherever you are right now, you don't have to do this. You could be out there going for a party or spending your time watching Netflix. But you decided to be here with us and to basically be in the trenches together with us because you know the kind of opportunity that is in front of us. We could actually change our life here. Anything can happen at this moment in time. So I would like to thank you and encourage everybody here who's not skipping any days. There's no Fridays.
Oh, there is no Friday. There is no Saturdays. There is no Sundays. No weekend at all. No vacation. No anything, dude.
Absolutely. So let's start with a little bit of a recap of what happened in the last 24 hours. Alex, in your world, in your trenches, what has happened? Can you give us a summary of what is going on?
Right. In my trenches, guys, I'm pretty happy because I'm missing every single rock pulled for today because yesterday I've been streaming for 6 straight hours and I woke up pretty late. And at the moment I woke up, I just realized what many of the tokens I've been looking for actually got rocked. So I've just saved my ass, you know. Mm-hmm. I wasn't able to get into S&P 500 stuff, what went viral today at the evening time. And so I'm happy as well because it got rugged as well. I at least saved my ass for today. So it's pretty much it, yeah.
Absolutely. So we can ask Grok, the AI Grok, to give us a little summary of what happened in the last 24 hours in Bitcoin.
Let's go.
Give us a 24-hour summary of crypto.
Oh, I wish you have no delay because I can show your screen then.
All right. So according to Grok, the AI, sounds like Alex. Can you do the reading because I'm echoing, so I need to set up my audio here again.
Yeah, I need to wait for a second because I need to wait it to load on the screen. Right. So market movements. Bitcoin experienced significant volatility right? It went the all-time high at 109K. When it went all the way down to 100,000, and now it's trading around 101, which is not bad at all. Ethereum, actually Ethereum, right? So Vitalik keep pushing away like bunch of the lovers of Ethereum, and I'm pretty not scared, but I'm worrying about the Ethereum price and how it can be affected, because after they launch the proof of I forget the word. So right after they launch this thing, nothing really happens with Ethereum. We waiting for it. I hope they will figure out this thing soon.
Okay. So Bitcoin ranged between $102,000 to $107,000 today. Is my audio better right now, guys? How is the audio right now?
If the audio is great now.
Great now?
Oh, let me actually hear it.
Guys, how is my audio now? W, if the audio has improved, let me know in there.
Oh no! So you definitely have a different mic chosen in OBS. Please change it, because the audio is not so good. I mean, it's not good at all. Just use any other input device for audio.
No, I now use my headphones audio. It sounds like right now it's a little bit better. So
Maybe take off your head.
Chat says W though. Oh, they say not good.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, so
all right. At least I got W in my chat. I'm sorry. I will give you a new mic, so you can put it right here.
I think we're gonna fix it now. I was gonna order the mic like yours, but obviously it doesn't have USB.
Something USB-C, so that is a problem.
Yeah, you need
My
one.
microphone should be back right now, guys. W chat if mic's good. W chat. I just now plugged in my regular microphone, and right now we should be full in session. Let's go to the freaking moon.
Yeah, let's wait a little bit. So
yeah,
now it's fire. Now it's fire, bro. Now the sound is great.
Yeah.
So
guys, welcome back to the Memecoin Show. My name is Gray, to the B, to the T, to the C, to the moon. And this is the Memecoin Show, guys. We do this show each and every day. We're in the trenches, trading meme coins, looking for the next 1000x. I want to give a special shout out to every single person who joins the Memecoin Show each and every day. Our goal is the same every day, looking for alpha. And I give you guys a lot of good stuff each and every day. We try to find something. And then we got Alex also here with me. And Alex, do you remember the rules of the game before we start the show?
Yeah. So the main rule for me is not to have FOMO. It's what we are not, and you are not, giving any financial advice in the chat or in the live stream. And what we keep grinding, right? We keep learning every day. We keep exploring new and new stuff. We're looking for runners. We staying aware of rug pools and stuff, and we just upgrading ourselves every other day. Maybe it's not your rules, but it's my rules for sure.
Okay, so my rules are: number one, this is a Memecoin show. It's for the left and the right curves. It's not for the mid curve. And rule number two is that nothing said here is financial advice. We are not financial advisors, we're traders, and I'm trading meme coins on this channel. And you have to know that there is nothing normal about meme coins. So if you're expecting some normal shit, this is not the show for you. You have to watch my other videos when I talk about Bitcoin and Ondo and stuff like that in Ethereum. And rule number three is that everything in crypto is a scam. It goes to zero against Bitcoin over time. So whatever you do, the goal should always be to rotate back into Bitcoin. But again, you have the decision-making power yourself to do that. And I don't have to tell you what to do with your money.
Right. I just forgot about the main one. Yeah, the main one is for sure. Whatever I make, whatever you make, whatever anybody make, we just putting it straight down to Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is the number one.
Bitcoin
it's 105 right now. 105 is great.
Yep, I think so too. I think 105 is a good number. Okay, so guys, let's keep it moving right now. Let's talk about yesterday as well, Alex. What happened yesterday? Because we
So
came here, we were in the
yesterday,
trenches yesterday.
yeah, the main of the runner or potential runner yesterday was Allen Coin. Unfortunately, it wasn't runner at all. I got it in 200 mil. Now it's like 29. It's never went up again. So we just miss it. We've been 10 minutes after the great time to buy, unfortunately. And so in the total, my PNL was like minus 85% at this day, which is like not good, but nothing bad at all. It's just another day in the trenches. And guys, we actually wanted to ask about your feedback, guys, here in the chat and everywhere. If you like to see the actual trading in live, not only the market stuff, and not only the dex screener trading, but actual like trenches and being in the field by ourselves live for like a longer time.
Yeah, exactly. So yesterday we started with $100. Well, we won Solana each, and then after that, we did kind of we discovered a runoff yesterday, which was what was it?
Ellen. It was
yeah.
Ellen, yeah.
So while we're still on the stream, we discovered the runoff for yesterday, and unfortunately we were late on that one because we got it when it already hit 200 million, and we got in at around 150, and we never sold, and it went down so much today. And I mean, it was a good narrative, but it was just one of those. It wasn't a good day in the trenches yesterday, because now the same coin is at $28 million here from 150 mil yesterday. So we're down bad on this one. And it's very important that you guys have to watch all these things here live, because you get to understand what the game is like. You know,
I'm actually happy we're not only sharing the success, but we're also sharing like the real action of trading. You know, you can lose, and it's the rules of the game. It's a part of the game. Losing is also the part of the game.
To me, it's very important.
Yeah, I would say even losing, it's the most part of the game. But if you win it so big, so you don't care about those losers anymore at all.
Right. So guys, yesterday was a very, very interesting day. We were all charged up. We found a runner, and it was really a runner because I don't know if you know this, Alex. Frank from the D-Gods guy, he put $30,000 on that play, and he made $1 million yesterday.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
300x straight away from 30K. That's insane.
Exactly, bro. He made $1 million yesterday. So opportunities are there. We just have to be early enough to get them super, super early. And guys, it's a process. It is a process. You don't want to just be, you cannot expect to win each and every single trade, but also you cannot be too scared. When the opportunity is there, you have to jump in, or otherwise you end up missing out. But if you jump on a runner that's already going, either you're gonna get wrecked or it's gonna continue to pump. Or rather, if you stay on the sideline, you miss out, and then you're like, oh my gosh, you know, I saw it at this place and I didn't buy it. Or you end up even buying at a much, much, much higher place. So it's a very, very good example of what can happen. So let me just give you a quick overview of what the market's looking like right now. Bitcoin at $105,000 today. In the last 24 hours, Lido leading the markets, KuCoin, Jupiter, Gate, Tokenized Exchange, and Andel being the top runners of the day, the top 6 within the top 100. And then when it comes to the trenches, we got Keycat, XPR Network, SwiftCoin, Keyboard Cat. I mean, you cannot really even identify any of most of these tokens anyway, because today is just really like a kind of a weird day in the trenches. We were waiting for Trump to do its thing, and it didn't happen, right? It didn't happen, or at least the Trump thing happened, but it happened in its own way, in a weirdest way possible, actually. Let's put it that way.
Maybe they
Okay.
put a lot of money on the betting, there is like the website where you can bet your Solana,
Yeah,
and they
yeah,
just
there's
put a lot
that.
of money on this one.
Yeah. So everybody expected the whole idea of the strategic Bitcoin reserve. That didn't happen, right? But at the same time, it happened, but in the same weird way. So the market is kind of undecided to where it wants to go. A lot of good news, but it's still not trying to pump because it's like, okay, do we pump on this at this price or do we not? Nobody really knows what to do. So it's kind of still in this undecisive state. That's why Bitcoin is oscillating. At the same time, you got ThorChain. ThorChain, I think, has had a vulnerability. A lot of people say that this guy just went bankrupt. But Eric Voorhees, who is a big supporter of the project, came out and dismissed those rumors. Let's find out here. ThorChain. I used to support this project a long time ago, but at some point I discovered that it is just it lost aura, it lost track. Times changed, Solana took over, and it became a little bit weird. So this is a tweet from XX. If you're holding this coin, you have to know there's a little weird things going on here. Heads up, if you're holding Rune ThorChain, read this ASAP. Devs made a dumb decision of introducing no liquidation, no expiry, no interest loans, and blew up one of the best projects in the space. Chain is functioning fine, and there is potential to save the project, but they are in some trouble right now that will take time to fix. This will either be a huge buy the fucking dip or the end, depending how they handle the situation. Insolvency is never a good thing. So sorry if you're getting wrecked right now on this. I sure am. Been hoarding for years. So I'm just glad that I sold my bags on Rune. If you watch my videos previously, you can see that I've been a supporter of this project for a long, long freaking time. And yeah, that's just what's happening, man. And I saw the news too late because I was supposed to short it, but I didn't short it because I didn't know what was going on. But Rune is a project, or ThorChain. It's kind of like a DeFi on Bitcoin. It's a chain that does DeFi on Bitcoin kind of thing. And it was a very promising project. I entered into it in 2021 or 2020, and then it got hacked, and then it survived. So I will investigate what's going on this. If it's completely concerning, I will never touch it again. If it can be saved, I might just buy the dip because that's probably the smartest thing to do. But that's just my take on it. All right. Anything else you want to share out there, Alex?
No, I cannot agree more with you. I want to aware all the guys what now it's like. There's a bunch of stuff is pumping, but it's actually just a game of big guys like Yecoin, and I'm pretty sure the Murat coin is nothing related to actual Murat, and it's at number 4. So be careful, be very careful for today. I guess we will have to stream for a while to get a new runner.
Yeah, exactly. We'll find a runner today. So today, actually, one of the best runners that I found did 5x in the alpha group. So everyone in the alpha group knows about this. We're trading this coin. Let me just look it up again. But I posted in the alpha group at 10 million, and it went to 50 million already today at some point. It's called Regent. Regent. Oh, don't tell me it rugged already. It cannot be this one. Oh, yeah, it is. Gosh, bro. But at least the alpha group, we exited this play already. Oh my gosh, bro. So I got in at 10 mil this morning, and it ran all the way to $50 million. And then now it's back to 20 mil. What the hell, man? What is going on? What's going on, bro? What the hell is going on? Guys, the trenches right now are so PvP to the extent that you have to be really careful. You cannot feel safe holding a play for more than a day. It used to be like, you buy something once and you just hold it and to the moon. Right now, I think those days are over. Do you remember the buy the dip kind of days, Alex, of like buy and hodl.
Oh, I wasn't here yet, I guess.
In crypto, the whole idea, to be fair, thankful to me, what changed my life when I got into crypto, I was a dirt poor person, like dirt poor. So when I got into crypto, back then, the whole narrative is like you buy and hodl. Hodl was like a really, really big word. You buy, you never sell your Bitcoin. You used to hear all these words. And
which is working for Bitcoin, by the way.
it worked for Bitcoin, right? It's like you never sell your Bitcoin, right? So the idea was that if you trade around, you lose money. So you bought in and you just never sell. To me, thankfully to that mentality, because if I had traded a lot, because a lot of people were doing, I know people that started at the same time as me, right? We were together when we were getting started with crypto. Most of them are still like, they're not financially free, and I am. Thanks to Bitcoin, because I never sold it. Whereas those guys, they were selling Bitcoin, buying like XRP, buying Bitcoin. When Bitcoin Cash came out, Bitcoin SV, they rotated their backs into that, and look at them now. So you have to really be careful. And now it's happening at a very, very compressed time. We're like, bro, yesterday a new project is in. It's like every day is a new meta. This is what the market has become right now, right?
It's changing all the time. I actually have a feeling like there was some huge Chinese whales, like actual whales, what just been sleeping during the Trump stuff, and now they woke up and they are playing their game. Now, like the water in our trenches, not the water, the warfare in our trenches is like way more dangerous than it was back in the day.
Yeah, it is. And look, it's okay. We can stand on the sideline and complain about what is going on in crypto. Or guys, let's just accept that this is what the market has become, and we have to accept and adjust ourselves in how we trade and how we find opportunities.
It's just a new reality. It's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, it's literally just a new reality, guys. So do not be one of those people that complain and be like, what's going on? Crypto used to be like, don't complain. Accept the game for what it is in how we trade, in how we find opportunities.
Yeah, I'm actually looking at Balex right now, and every other coin I'm opening is just a rug pull. Like literally every other.
Well, the thing is, what happened with the whole Trump thing, right? It's almost like Trump authorized scamming.
Yeah, so you basically can run it, and you
because
can rug.
Now, exactly, it's normal now for everybody to launch their own project. It's just a meme coin, and then it can just rug. Like rugging has just become a normal thing, and people can say, regulators have to come in. Like, to me, it doesn't matter, bro. This is what the game is, and we need to figure out a strategy to win. So let me just share the stream, and while we share
the strategy will end. I mean, not the strategy. This game will end at some point, because those people who rugging will realize what their strategy of rugging doesn't work anymore.
Yeah.
It's just a lot of new people are coming now to the meme coins, and they are like a small fishes in the pool, and everybody wants to eat them. That's why.
Yeah.
So guys, don't be a small fish. Play it smart.
Yeah.
And to play it smart, you have to log in. You have to stay with us every single day over here on the Memecoin Show, or in the show in the trenches, or whatever, and just keep grinding, keep thinking, keep explaining for yourself what's going on, keep listening smart people in Twitter. Not listen any stupid person in Twitter. There's plenty of them.
So look, yesterday, the same play, the same opportunity that we found, right? We were just 10 minutes late, because if we were just 10 minutes early enough, we were going to be able to get it at a relatively good price. Not that we was going to make the exact same trade, but we would have won big, because I'm looking at, this is the trade that Frank made. He put in 120 Solana. He put out 3,000 Solana, which is $1 million. So it's not that the opportunities are not there. The opportunities are there. Like someone made $1 million. And someone can say, but maybe he had insider information. It doesn't matter. What matters is that if we found this play early enough, let's just say 5 minutes earlier yesterday, we was gonna able to make at least minimum 3x of our money.
I guess
So-
way more. No, 3 minutes. Yeah, probably it's around that. Yeah.
Yeah, it could be more, it could be less. But
3,
you know, we're
4x.
going to be able to make a lot, right? Because our strategy was that we get in, we double first, and we remove the initial and we let it run. However, one strategy that we played won big. Like I remember I was shorting Vine. That trade
Yeah.
really went well because Vine is down bad right now, like 50% down, even more, right?
You win it at this point. It's actually
So-
interesting. What in the meme coin world, you don't only have to buy and believe. You can also be sure it's going down and just play it down.
If you know what you do, how to do it, right?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. So here is there is also literally a few minutes ago in the Alpha group we're discussing a play. It was called, what is the name? Elidia or something like that. It literally just rugged. At $1 million market cap, I put in a little bit of money. I put a couple of SOR in there because I was like, wow, a lot of projects today are going like from nothing to like 40 million. So I was like, well, maybe this one has potential. So I did it. I went in, put a couple of SOR. It ran a little bit. I sold some. I sold like half of it, and then boom, it's down to zero. So the trenches have become really, really, really dirty right now. However, we can also talk about some of the winners today, including ThorChain. When I woke up in the morning, it was the runner of the day. Now it is ragged also now at $2 million. And then you got Murad, which I faded on it. I saw it, I faded, and it went to 17 mil the last time I checked. Now it has also ragged. So what is happening here, guys? Even if, like, we're at a point in crypto where you are not safe. It doesn't matter what you're holding anymore. Nobody cares anymore. The only play that I feel safe about holding is just Ondo Finance. Everything else, man, even the AI plays, like, did you see what happened to OpenAI yesterday?
What do you mean?
They released
exactly
some kind of a, they did.
Oh
like a
yeah,
whole-
agents.
Agents.
Yeah.
They're now coming to agents, and that has also been, and there's been, I think, a new discovery of some technology within AI, and other people are exploiting that too. So even the AI agents that we know right now, like AI XPT, I don't think they matter anymore. There will be another one just to replace it. So it used to be that you find a good technology, you buy and you hold because the team is building. But right now, there's this reflexive model where the teams will build a specific product because they will make money quickly within a week.
Right.
And if that's not going to work, they have no incentive to continue to build something difficult. So they might just quit that project and start another one. You know? So the only
That's
place
how they
right
sing
now,
nowadays. That's actually how they sing nowadays.
Yeah,
For
of
some,
course.
even for some communities sometimes. The only
Nobody-
community I've actually seen like actually shilling their coin and like supporting community, it's an AS coin for some reason.
Right. But you have to understand, there's nobody willing anymore to do difficult things. Nobody wants to sit down and grind and build a product, except for AI 16Z ELIZA Labs, right? From the beginning, their goal was to build a product. And that's why it went to $2 billion in the middle of the market where nobody even touches $1 billion anymore. So I don't know what the market has become, Chad, but like, we need to really discover a new model right now, because it cannot continue like this. And it's perfectly fine. If it goes on like this, I'm happy. We just have to find a winning play. That's all I'm going to say. We just need to find a winning strategy to make sure that we're not sidelined. And the one that I found is to just invest in AI. But do not be scared anymore to rotate your bags. If things have changed, it's okay to now change your mind and look for something else. It's
Oh,
perfectly
for sure.
safe.
I'm
It's
actually
normal.
wondering if it's a good play right now to just launch your meme coin.
Yeah, I mean, definitely. Maybe I should just launch my own meme coin as well. Why not?
I'm pretty sure in some point of the market, it will become like the old days, you know, where the meme coins are actually based on meme, right?
Right.
And so maybe the next run, or maybe not the next, but next after next, will be the real meme, like the actual one?
I can tell. Oh, there's a coin called Sasha, Justice for Citibank CEO. What does Citibank CEO done?
I have no idea. Are they?
Justice for Citibank CEO. What has she done, Chad? It's migrating right now. And who is holding the token? The number 2 holder of the token. Can you see the name?
Where? I'm looking at it.
It's really a meme.
Sasha.
Yeah, Justice for Sasha. Let me just look it up. What are the people on X saying about Sasha right now?
Oh my gosh, I hit the number 2 holder.
Justice for Citibank CEO Sasha. What the hell is this, bro?
Is she locked now or is just chilling?
I think someone is just, the bots are posting it. Oh, is there an Anthem token now or what?
That's pretty weird. Right, it's kind of sad news.
Yeah.
If it's real.
Yeah, so here's the thing, what Ansem is saying. I just respond to new info in the market. If Trump doesn't launch, Melania keeps the Trump token PVE. Strategic Bitcoin reserve with the US buying gets implemented instead of a digital asset committee with instructions to give guidance in 18 months. So, yeah, everybody right now is so confused about the trenches, man. Like, nobody has any. I've spoken to people that I really know who are like really smart guys in the markets, market makers, good traders, exchange founders. Everybody just like me, and I don't really know what the market looks like. One thing is for sure, though, we are going to make historical money during the Trump administration. We're all gonna get rich. We're definitely gonna get rich. How we're gonna do it is Memecoin, yes, but how it's gonna play out, nobody have any idea. Because each and every day, chat, we're experiencing a new reality. The president launched their own Memecoin and they suck out all the liquidity. Tomorrow they launch another one, and then everything is just really in the air.
I'm waiting for the actual president of some country actually ragging people, you know?
And
Just
I
to
can
show
tell
up.
you, I can tell you right now, a lot of people right now are down bad. That's what's happening. It's like, it feels like crypto is winning because things are happening for Bitcoin, right? And then in the trenches now, it doesn't matter what your meta is, whether you're investing in AI or if you're investing in Memecoin, everybody's accounts are down at the bottom right now.
That's
By
so
50%
crazy.
or more. It's so crazy. And the more you trade, the more money you're losing. It's really that bad.
Imagine the face of the person who actually got into trenches because of the Trump and just straight away losing money. So the good thing about it, what all the people who was in the market before already know what's going on, and they will continue. They will just keep making money right after this end, right? The bad news is that there is plenty of people who just losing money straight away. It's just because the Trump shielded, like he show to the like actual world for the newbies, for people like me. He were like, make money. Everybody take billion and billion. I mean, all right, million and million, right? He made 10x, 1,000x, and simple 2x in 24 hours after he launched.
Bro, I mean, the market right now is so... I want to laugh so hard. It's crazy what is going on.
Show me.
So here's what I can tell you guys. It's going to be a very, very difficult moment until this period goes. So we're going through a time of confusion where it's a little challenging to make money. But just be aware, you need the same energy. Just show up every day. This is a period. And then we're going to go through another period where it's so easy to make money. And people get used to it until things change again and they get confused. The reason why we're so confused right now as a market entirely in crypto is because what we're doing to win is not the same thing that we have to do now. If you know what I mean. You know what I mean, Alex, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we know that last month I buy a bunch of AI plays today, and then I come back on tomorrow's live stream. This one has done 3x, this one 100%, that one 30x or whatever. That's what we're used to. And now it seems like you can't hold a coin anymore. That's why the people are confused, bro. But if we keep on showing up every day, we're going to go through a moment also where we do this, tomorrow we're cashing out. We do this minute 2, this is happening. So guys, stay locked in. Don't give up on the game. We say don't give up the ship. Don't give up the ship.
Yeah, you can actually see what's going on because even the guys who watching, it's like 10 times less than usual. And they will learn this lesson the hard way. They will just lose money. And what we are doing here, we can analyze the market and we don't do any moves. And if you don't do any moves, you're actually doing a move, just waiting.
Yep. That is straightforward, straight up. Right now, you're in the moment, guys, where right now, this is actually interesting news my friend just sent here. Alert. A trader withdrew 4,000 Solana, that's $1 million, from exchanges and lost $892,000 across 13 trades in 2 days with nearly a 0% win rate.
Go into my X right now. I've posted like 4 hours ago, and it's actually funny. I have a screenshot there with a message.
Right.
Oh, you got a screenshot as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly. So the biggest losses include 400,000 on Elon and 254,000 on Vine, leaving just one trade with a $231 of profit.
I mean, he made 231. What can you get on it? It's a quarter of an iPhone. Not bad. Not bad.
Can you buy an iPhone with 231? Is an iPhone that cheap?
No, it's a quarter of iPhone.
Quarter of an iPhone, yeah.
Yeah. The backplate.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. I know what this guy was thinking. I know he's not stupid, I can tell you. This guy, he's just like the rest of us. You're like, well, I need to make 5 million, maybe found a new girlfriend in Dubai, and then she's like, I want a Birkin bag, right? And you're like, a Birkin bag doesn't cost much. And then she's like, oh, but I also want you to buy me, maybe he made a girl pregnant, and she said, you know what, I want a Birkin bag, I need a Bentley, and I need a driver. You need to take care of me. And this dude is a Chad, right? He's a degen like all of us here. He's like, cool, easy. I'm just going to withdraw $1 million from one of my accounts on Binance, and then I'm going to go on chain and just buy a couple of meme coins, and then I'll sit there and I'm going to print. And he saw what happened to Trump, so he was sitting there waiting. And then he deployed, first trade he saw was the Elon, right? He put in a 600K there, and then he lost $400,000.
That's crazy.
He was like, okay, I need to get back into Vine. Maybe Vine is the play. He put in $300,000 or $800,000, and he walked away with a $600,000 loss, 254,000 minus. And then he went into Napster, AINT, and Canva, which is all these coins we discussed here yesterday. Elon, Vine, and Canva, when we were talking about that African coin, you remember? We also did, you brought this one up, the Canva coin, because you thought it was Kenya.
Yeah.
And the bro walked away with $231, guys. So if you're right now down bad, do not feel bad. It's just not you. Trust me, a lot of people are not as honest as us here. They're not showing you everything. They just share the wins and they make it seem like it's all groom. And you're like, oh, why just me? I buy something, immediately it jits. It's not just you. And you need to develop character to persist through periods like this. And you have to do the same thing every day. Wake up, show up, and go do your trades. Like I made maybe 6 trades today, only 2 were winners.
Yeah, I'm gonna say some financial advice for you guys at this speech. After waking up, do some sports, drink some water, and probably sleep well before it, and then start.
I mean, no sleep. No, I disagree. No sleep. Don't sleep, but definitely train, work out. do 100 push-ups. Like, I'm not working out as much right now, but I wake up in the morning, I do at least 100 push-ups and stuff like that, just to make sure that, you get your mind right. It's
All right,
very,
I got
very
a new challenge for myself. Every time I'm in a lost position and I'm taking an L, I'm doing 25 push-ups. And so in the worst case scenario, I lost my money and lost everything. I lost my girlfriend, I lost my apartment, but I'm at least fit.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
There's a meme, a beautiful meme of like saying, every trade I lose is like 100 push-ups. Did you see that, Alex?
No.
I have to share it with you guys.
Yes,
it's one of the
please.
best memes I've seen today. I think I shared it on Instagram. That's why. I will share it on my X so that everyone can see it. Let's agree. Okay.
Something weird is going on with all the exchanges. They failed to load, but X and CoinMarketCap work just fine. It's maybe something wrong on my side, or it's huge traffic is going on these websites.
Yeah, so this is the meme. I just posted it now on X, guys. But basically, it says this. This is a bro. Bro is skinny as hell, is Vitalik level. And then you do one push-up for every bad trade. And 6 months later, the bro is super jacked. You can relate. I know everybody
it's actually fake meme, because how can bro didn't have a pants, but he have after 6 months? He wouldn't have any money to buy new pants,
No,
sure.
I think he made one trade and he went on DGenWay store and he bought something.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. It may work this.
He won one trade for one day. He felt like he's on top of the world, and he went to DGenWay store, got himself some crypto merch, some shorts, and he turned out to be like this. So I think it's a good game. We all have to do it. One push-up for every bad trade you make. I would say let's just do 10. And we all get jacked, so that even at our lowest moment, at least we have 6 packs. So
that's actually my mentality. In any worse moment in my life, or in whatever happened, I'm always trying to look at something good, and find some good moments for myself. Just because there is no reason for you to look at the bad ones.
We traded this in the alpha group as well. It ran all the way to like 40 million, and then now it jittered to 23. But I closed my position on this one, so I don't know exactly what's going on. The play now is that if you're not in the play on the first minute, in the first 5 minutes, it's over for you. Now you're basically just taking risk from there.
Right, yeah.
Look,
the guts of trading are on my side. So if I wouldn't be in the trenches for today, I wouldn't trade either, because all the platforms are actually down for me. I have no idea why. It just for some reason.
Yeah. So I got people here asking me about Mudang, right? Obviously, I have to talk about Mudang every day. They're like, yo, bro, Mudang is going down every day. Mudang every day. Now we are at a critical level of support. To be honest, I never anticipated this to happen at all. Look, not even a blip of volume since this big candle over here. This is where Mudang is. Right, guys? This is where we at. However, I have to, let's look at the volumes now.
Oh, Mudang is, at least it's cheap. But what's going on with the community?
But the good thing about it is that you look at volume, 86 million dollars, 24-hour trading volume. And the market cap is still a little above 100 million. Now, I think we're reaching a point where all this PvP thing every day, a new coin meta is going to end. And I think for this to happen, the market needs to crash. Bitcoin needs to go up under 100,000, and everything needs to basically break again for things to normalize. Because the reason why we have so much PvP and also Bitcoin is not pumping is because the current meta or the current strategy to pump Bitcoin is not a retail play. We're not expecting John, your neighbor, to come and buy BTC. We know they can't afford it. Everybody is broke now in the world. Majority of the world is broke. They cannot afford $100,000 Bitcoin. Okay? Most people earn under $100,000 a year. So we want the institutions to come and buy. And those institutions, they have a process to move. They're not just going to jump on things just like that in a second. Until this Bitcoin starts moving, it breaks like 125,000, the rest of the market is just going to be depressed and it's going to be PvP. So that's just where we are. Ninzo said that I don't check my 2024 portfolio anymore. Yeah, might be a good idea. So I don't disagree with you right there. So a lot of people want me to check Vine as well. So guys, for Mudeng, what I was about to say is that Mudeng is down bad. But if you think the play is over, you're absolutely wrong. So out of everything, these are the coins that are going to make it. Whatever happened to Vine yesterday is going to be happening to coins like Mudeng and Peanut and Chill Guy. They will come back because those are the only coins that have real community. They're real memes, organic memes that actually funny and enjoyable, and even people outside of crypto, they can understand them.
Oh, I want to buy a little more of Shield Guy. I'm just very like the meme.
Right. Those are real memes, and I think they will survive. And everything else like Vine, or maybe not Vine, but yesterday, Elon, whatever. Elon coin, it's something that only crypto people know. It's not a meme. It's basically just a pump and dump. UFD.
Yeah, it was probably just a smart play from the guys.
Yeah. So Tiago says, what if normies don't come around this cycle? They will, because normies, they will come, but they will come for meme coins. They're not going to come for Bitcoin. Dre says, during this stream, if you're falling asleep, just do 50 push-ups. Yeah, you're right, man.
It actually works. Because
Darren says that Mudeng trash. I disagree with you. I think Mudeng is one of the main meme coins that we actually send, and it's going to melt faces.
How can anybody say that? Have you seen the actual animal, like the actual hippo?
They don't.
He's so freaking cute.
Yep. Check MLG.
Yeah, for everybody who is wondering, if whoever share with you some AI trading bot who making only profits, it's totally scam, because if they actually do it, they will never, ever share with someone.
Wow, this looks fun. MLG.
What?
MLG.lore. I think it's kind of like a meme game or something.
It's yours, so wait.
I'm gonna find my goddamn Mountain Dew. Yeah, did you drink my Mountain Dew? Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Let me smell your breath. Let me smell your breath. Oh, you Mountain Dew drinking bitch.
MLG is this token we spoke about yesterday, and you probably lose some money on it.
No, I don't think so. It's weird, I like it. They have like a 360 rendering of the little room with a first-person character view, and then you click on stuff and it gives you different. Yeah, I think it's a cute idea, like a little video game vibe. Okay.
All right. This is a pretty cute website.
I like fun memes, that actually are funny. That's the reason why I invested in SPX, because the team put up a little bit of effort to make a good website, even. So I don't know much about this coin, but
I mean, for a website like this, you have to put much effort, for MLG.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
pretty
exactly.
hard
It's
website
some.
to
I
make.
mean, in crypto, that is considered high effort. In crypto, welcome to crypto. Yeah.
Right. Didn't Def rug you at like 5 minutes? It's considered a hard
So it seems like it
hard
went
play.
to 180 mil actually, 190, almost 190 mil, and now it's down to 68, and it's 9 months old. Okay, I'll put it under my watch list, and I'll keep observing.
Yeah, let's see tomorrow. Fun.
Guys, you might be in a point where you feel like maybe I should just quit trading for a little bit. That's when everything is going to change. You leave the markets for 2 days because you want to find yourself and breathe air and stuff like that. You come back and then we're all rich because all it takes is one opportunity. So even though things suck right now in the market for a lot of people, do not lose yourself. Like, just keep showing up every day. That's all it takes. Okay?
Yeah, nobody asks you for actual trading. Just be in the market.
Yep. Time in the market.
Imagine the face of the guy who chooses to just give it some time while the Trump stuff. I don't want to be this guy. I was sleeping. At least I was sleeping. And I was able to buy it at like 17 mil and just didn't believe. But if you just completely lost it and miss it.
Because after missing the trade, a lot of people now are kind of revenge trading. So they're like, oh, I missed out. I'll get back to it until I make the money back. I should have gotten that Trump coin. So Vine looks like this right now. It basically looks like Mudeng. Unfortunately, it has just happened quicker than Mudeng. Because if you look at the chart,
right,
it's exactly the same. 500 million tops, and then it's now at 110. Now, you have to think it took Mudeng a lot of time to go down that bad. It took Vine 24 hours to do that. So you have to be really careful. I'm not sold on Vine anymore. The reason is, like I explained at the beginning, the days of buy and hodl and come back to it are over, right? The day of buy the dip of a new coin are over because tomorrow there's going to be another one. And you know what will happen? People will sell further to ape into the new one. This is where people like Murad are right of like, stop trading and believe in something. Buy something you believe in and you just hoard the card coins because a lot of this stuff, they will come every day and go. And they're really irrelevant. So you have to be mindful of that as well. Now, let's talk about the Trump coin, right? I don't think that the Trump play is over, if you ask me.
I believe nobody thinks about it because he have to do some moves and he want to show up. So I wouldn't think that Trump, it's done, like done.
Yeah, I don't think the Trump play is over, man. I think that the Trump play is going to go to 100 mil still. It's coming.
There
It
is
will go to
Cat
the top.
Trump, there is Trump LLM. What's Trump LLM is?
So if you have the bows, I think you might want to be picking it up at this point, right? If you're scared, if you're scared animal, stay away. But I don't think that this Trump coin is over. I think it will come back because if you look at what bot has been sending me all the updates about all the big coins, Mobi. There's a new AI bot that's sending me really, really good analysis right now, like an AI agent. Can you believe it that now we think of AI agents just like people who actually, some we trust and others we don't trust? How quickly does the game change? It's insane.
AI agents is the nearest future. It's actually almost right here. I'm not sure. I've never tried the OpenAI agents yet, but I'm building my own one and they work pretty well.
Yep. So yeah, it gave a very good analysis 2 hours ago on Trump. It says Trump has shown significant momentum, gaining $7.3 million in the last 24 hours with 26 whales participating over the last 3 days. It has attracted over the last 3 days, it has attracted $92 million from 122 whales. And in the last week, total whale purchases reached $647.49 million from 991 whales. That's insane.
So big guys are coming.
Big guys are coming. It looks like people haven't given up on it.
I'm gonna buy a little bit. I mean, I can expect a little 2x on it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not like pretty sure, but the Trump is unpredictable. The guy is unpredictable. Everything can happen.
Yeah. So the recycling guy says the cabal and friends. Yeah, it could be the cabal and friends. The good thing about it is that we can also exploit it because we can basically just follow what they're doing and sell earlier before them. Who knows what's going on?
What's going on with Trump? Trump never posted anything. No, he actually posted the anniversary stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm still waiting for the play of Elon Musk. This guy have to show anything. Because he was a leader of all the coins and stuff, you know, with his Doge.
Yeah.
Nothing of it.
So look, everybody right now is just watching this like, hey man, what is going on? What's going to be next and stuff like that. But it is just the name of the game. Anyway, let's get back into the trenches and look, maybe there are some potential opportunities that we can exploit. It is what it is, guys. Let's just keep on going. The trenches are muddy, are full of muddy waters, but we will just continue in doing our thing.
Guy in my chat asking, did you guys see his coin might be investigated? For sure, we've seen it, but like, good luck for you.
That's bullish.
For sure.
Yeah.
Good luck for you to investigate that president's meme coin.
But also it's bullish. You know, the more it gets attacked, the more attention it gets.
The more volume it gets, because once you got listed and once you hit like this high of a market cap, all you're seeing is like not to actually go straight up. It's to get more up and down, because the market makers are making money on both ways.
Yep.
They want to liquidate. Yeah, go ahead.
It's exchanges are the ones making money. Exchanges and market makers, they're definitely killing it, man.
They've been making money for a while, but they're making it now big one.
Yes, a lot of money. They're making godly money. That is for sure. Okay, I'm just looking for plays right here to see if there's something we can trade.
I'm looking everywhere, like in Twitter, in Dex Screener. I'm still trying to load my Bullex. All right, now everything is fine.
And today's meta is kind of celebrity meta. So people are launching, okay, there's a Vitalik here I might buy. And also I opened this chart before of Vitalik. I might buy 0.1 of this one. But there was what was that coin that I was talking about free CEO of something?
Oh, free CEO of Central Bank?
Citibank.
Bank. Citibank, yeah.
Citibank.
It's rocked for sure.
I'm sure it's rocked by now. Fuck! Don't tell me that it ran, bro. $2.4 million market cap, bro. We could have aped in.
On the Vitalik, where? Oh,
man.
Yeah.
I got so distracted because I was waiting for it. To. Ah, man, I hate this shit, man.
Yeah, but you can't be sure it is this one because
It is that one. It is that one, bro.
The exact
Look
one.
at the minutes. Look at the time.
Oh.
Look at the time, man. Damn!
4. That's why you still have to be in focus, even though the market is like crazy. You still you can find the next runner like this. It was at the beginning of the stream. Nobody like actually cares about the runners. We've been researching the market and we will been updating everything, right? And we just missed opportunities straight away. It's been right here in our.
We were literally laughing at whoever was the guy
Right, yeah.
The hoarder, the
picture.
top hoarder has like I think the guy who hoards the most amount of tokens is Nigger.
Yeah.
And we were laughing about that. And now we just didn't freaking buy it, man.
That's sad.
Because it was migrating and I was like, okay, let's wait until migration. And then I forgot about it. And then there is the same Sasha that also ragged. So why are there so many contracts about this lady Sasha?
I have no idea. Is this Sasha? Like, let's look up.
Vitalik already ragged.
I'm gonna look up in Twitter, but on a different screen, so we'll be safe on the stream.
Okay, so there's one Sasha that's ragged, but there's another Sasha is at 2 million right now.
That's my point, but because there was many of them, and maybe you've been on the different one.
I'll be happy if the one I looked at was the ragged one. But if I missed out the runner, then I'm not gonna forget. But look, it's 31 minutes. It's the one on Flaxbeam here. This is the one I was looking at.
So it got racked.
No, this one is still running, bro.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, and you've been here on like 100K market.
Oh no, wait. No, wait. This one is a scam. Okay, right. Thank God.
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
You just saved
Hallelujah.
yourself.
Well, even if it was a rag, I would have wished to be part of it, but it's completely a scam, so I didn't really lose out on anything. This one is a poser. It's not real. Because this is also a good lesson to a lot of people who to learn, right? This one, for a coin that has $2 million market cap, it got $8,000 in volume, 19 buy orders, and 0 sales. This is not real. There's no trading here. Yeah, liquidity 170. So this is a honeypot.
Yeah.
This is a honeypot. You buy the coin, you won't be able to sell it.
So it's a scam. It's not even rug.
It's all fake. Look, all you have is buy orders.
And the volume is AAK, yeah. Oh, let me actually see the actual Sasha coin then, because I've seen it, and the volume was 78,000 at the moment. So we can look it up right now. And yes, it just rocked. It just rocked.
Yeah, I smashed the first board on the floor, bro. It's like there's water on the floor right now, and. The neighbors are probably going to report me now that there's the crazy guy in this apartment. I think you need to check on it. He's not mentally stable.
Welcome to Russia then.
You already know, guys. Moscow is the way to go.
BIOS, be your own cabal.
Okay, so the recycling guy says, let's make a coin right now. I think what we need to do if we want to make a coin, we have to gather, like yesterday we could have done it, 10,000 people. We're supposed to gather 10K people on live, and then we can launch a coin.
All together.
Yeah, all together. We can do it. We can definitely do that. Let's just schedule a day and do it together. Tomorrow I'll sit down and figure out a really interesting narrative, and we can do it.
We actually should do it on the weekend because like more people are free at this time. So the interesting thing, there is no big online on Friday, so I guess the part of our trenches are just partying today, and that's pretty set. We need to. So tomorrow we will have a little speak with them, because they will come back for sure. They've been in the trenches before, and they will come back. But for the Friday, they just dancing somewhere, maybe drinking something.
Okay, so there's a new meta from Seth Moon. Just came out and made a statement about they're bitching about. There's a Seth Moon token that has been created, and the official Seth Moon account came out and complained about it.
Oh, what they did, the meme coin with them.
Yeah, that it's not us that did the meme coin. It's not the same team. So that is bullish. Crypto thrives on negativity as well. So I think this one I'm gonna ape in. Just because it could go to 100 mil. It could be one for today to run to 100 mil.
Oh, it's been there already.
It's been there. It's 19 hours. It's 19 hours old, but it crashed. Now it's sort of recovering. Let's look at the
I'm
5
gonna do
minutes.
like this and just watch on this run. I would be happy for you if you make money, but I'm like,
I'll put something small, guys. So I'm not putting my entire net worth on it.
you are ready to beat your entire everything on Sasha, dude. Imagine.
Yes. That's just how it works, man. It's just part of the game. If you're not going to be able to take risk, like I'm okay with losing. That's the thing, right? But when I catch one, then it's game on. I'll just try something. I have like $100 here that I don't need, $155. Let's see if it's going to run it back. Safe Moon, 16 milli. Devious. Okay. Things are getting weirder and weirder in crypto. So Alex, you have been in the trenches for a couple of days now. What do you make of all this? Like, what are you thinking these days? You're like, okay, do you think you can handle the pressure?
For sure. For me, it's the best thing for me because I'm pretty like calm person. I have no FOMO at all. I've told about it already, and I have like many stories where I could make it big and I just miss it straight away in my hands, you know. So I just already passed it, and I love this shit because here you can actually think. So you have to analyze everything. You have to see where the market goes. You have to coming up with a new strategies every other day, and that's I really love it. I really love it. I really love when I need thinking. It's like playing chess for me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So overall, it's just crazy. It's crazy good, and I cannot stop looking at it. You know, I'm even if I know what it will get tracked, I'm putting my mouse in there and just predict it when it will get tracked. So the next time I'm buying something, I will have this feeling, you know, the bad feeling before it got tracked, before it getting wrecked. CR7. The CR7 stuff, I don't really like it. Don't really like their Twitter. Nothing very big there.
Okay, the Safe Moon, it looks like it's running. It might be tonight's runner, guys. Let's find out. At least today, we're not late tonight. We're starting off at 20 mil. $20 million. We started at 16 mil, actually. So $16 million. I got in. Now, let's see if it's going to be a runner for the night.
Oh,
Safe
you did
Moon.
a good double. A good double.
Safe Moon. Safe Moon. Let's run it back. Safe Moon has already been there before. And it's now just, I think this is V2. Safe Moon V2. The trenches. Let's freaking go. I've done my bidding. And let's see what you guys going to do it. Let's see if you guys going to do it.
Yeah, I love it because you have only two feelings in the trenches. I place a little bit too much, and I place a little bit less than I should, right?
Mm-hmm.
If it's runner, you wish you put like a solar or a little bit more, right? If it's getting wrecked.
Yeah, I mean, I have my other account here with like a significant amount, so I put in like 15 SOL on it. So let's see.
Let's see how.
Let's see.
I'm looking at CR7 now.
Safe Moon. Ah, 40 million! 40 million!
Let's go! Did you just found the runner for tonight?
Yo, the runner for tonight, my G's. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna remove my initial. No, but let it run. I think this one is gonna be hot. This one's gonna be hot. So I'll just let it run.
This is greedy man with you right now, guys. This is a greedy man. I'm not judging you. I would do the same. But it's like, oh, I love these memes. It's like, did you actually take your profit or just a screenshot?
I just told you about taking profit, but I didn't do it.
yeah. Did you actually?
It's literally the same as screenshotting. That's for sure. Welcome to the trenches, man. That's just the game.
I found a new runner. I post about it on X. I post about it everywhere. Oh, did you sell it? No, it was too late already. I need my portfolio to come back. I'm down bad. Oh, it's happened someday, especially those days. There is like pretty big fishes everywhere. I wouldn't do any huge moves right now.
I'm starting to feel like Safe Moon is gonna run.
What's going on with you?
Because if you don't know, by the way, Safe Moon has already been there. It was one of the most popular coins back in the day. If you have been in crypto for a long time, you probably know it already.
Wait, are they actually complaining on their X?
On their X account, yeah. They got out and they're complaining about it. Oh, there's a new Safe Moon launch. So now you see, but nobody's going to be holding the old Safe Moon, right?
Right, yeah.
So people are just like, what? That's good news. It means we make our money back.
I hope they will not forget to put the actual CA on their X as well.
Yeah. This is the post. Safe Moon, literally 34 minutes ago. So it's a big account. They got, lots of followers, probably millions. Yeah, 1.2 million. And then they just gave more attention to the project. Literally, it's what they did.
All right. So the CTO of the project came up with the stuff what he will giving away all the liquidity fees what is generated from the liquidity position to the people who lost money on the actual Safe Moon.
Woo! Run it back then. Run it back. Run it the fuck back. I like that.
And the people like, just bought some more Safe Moon on Solana. Suck it, bozo. And he reposted the Safe Moon tweet and like, fuck off scammers.
Yeah. I mean, I like these are the vibes that I live for.
Yeah.
Real deal. Real deal. Let me double up on this baby. There we go. I just put more.
And this is a good feeling. I have no FOMO. I just feel very good for Gray because he making it right now in life with you, and everybody had the same opportunities. It's not any group. It's not anything. It's just live stream. And for those people who've been dancing and partying tonight and wasn't show up to the
fuck it. Let me change the. I'll be changing. Okay, keep talking. I'm just gonna change the Twitter name of the stream to Safe Moon.
I'm gonna see the faces of the guys who actually missed today's Memecoin show because they've been partying and being so busy, and we just find out a runner because it's 50 mil right now, and we were able to get it at 16 mil.
No, it's down to 30 mil now, but it's we're going up slowly. It's all good.
I might have the different chart because in my chart it's 50 mil.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's 47 mil. Wait, are we talking about the same contract here or what?
I'm sending you the contract right now.
The prices are showing different between these exchanges. That's so strange.
There's probably it's just the price different, I guess.
Yeah.
What's your liquidity in your token? Mine is 1.7.
Mine, it says, what's the market cap now? It says 29 million.
So this is the CA I'm looking for. I'm looking at the Safe Moon on Radium. It's 50 mil.
It starts with 2K?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at the same. But if you go to BullX...
Right, and enter in there?
I think the real number is the one on BullX, I would say.
I don't mind. Oh.
Yeah.
How can it be that? It's fine.
Yeah, that is so strange, to be fair.
It's only green on the safe moon. It's like straight up green candle, huge green candle.
On this screen, are you looking at here, right? You're looking at this market cap.
Yeah, at 50 mil.
Yeah, that's kind of strange.
But the price is the same. It's just market cap is different. So this is weird.
No. It can be, because if it's 1 billion token, you know.
No, I mean, I'm looking at your live stream right now on BullX and on my live stream on BullX, and the price is the same as in Dex Screener, but the market cap is different.
Ah, yeah, true. Okay, my average entry now is 22.93. So let's.
Oh,
see
you
what
got some
happens.
more. You got some more.
Yeah.
All right, we might found a new runner for tonight.
It might be the new runner, guys. You never know. You never know.
Yeah, now is the perfect time for some of your friends to call you and, like, if you make your billion, just buy some Lambo for us, you know?
Yeah. It's that time. It's Lambo time.
Lambo time. I hope so.
Lambo time, friends.
I'm keeping myself away from this high of market cap because I don't have a lot of Solana today in my account. So let's see something new and keep an eye on SafeMoon.
SafeMoon might save us. SafeMoon, please save us, SafeMoon.
All right.
Save
So the
our
guy in your
bags.
chat, is actually texting. It's because he burned some tokens. It's maybe true. It's probably
okay.
true. So he keeping the price. The dev keeping the price.
Okay. The dev is a G. I like that. I like that vibe.
Let me see his X. Maybe he's doing something.
Check on the dev, please. Is he cooking? Is the dev cooking? If he is, if he is really burning tokens, this is gonna be the runner for tonight.
I mean, he promised like a lot of things. He promised to burn. He promised to put into liquidity. He promised to send the KOLs to give away all the fees to the people who lost money on this actual SafeMoon. Oh wait, the actual SafeMoon is some scammers, isn't it? I've seen the video on CoffeeZilla YouTube channel.
Yeah. So SafeMoon was one of the biggest runners of the last cycle.
Yeah, they deserve it. They deserve it the hard way, you know. Was it like face plan or something?
But look, there's no way it's ever gonna come back anyway. So this is only fun if we just have to exploit the clout that it has anyway.
Yeah, for sure.
Let it run to the moon. Okay, I'm looking into this story on X to see if there is some interesting news behind it. Yeah, so he burned some tokens. That's good. That's why the market cap's changing. Okay, makes sense.
He promised to burn 10%, but he already did it, so he might burn some more. What a guy. Hunk.
I like the profile. He's a true degen.
The guy? Oh yeah, for sure.
So actually, he deployed this hours ago. To clarify, I was sent 50% of the supply for the Solana SafeMoon as a meme. I burned 10% of the token. I put 39% to the token liquidity. I sent 1% out to get some KOLs involved. I'll be giving away all the liquidity fees that are generated from the play. Tomorrow, I'll post a poll on how we should handle doing the above. Please feel free to give me a suggestion and ideas in the comments. I might remove and rebalance liquidity positions every now and again to ensure that we're within range and earning fees, but I will not be selling tokens. And there we go. The runner was born. Now, let's watch and observe.
Can you imagine the being a scumbag and actually scamming people and then complaining what somebody making fun of you, right?
Yeah, I mean, look, it's crypto at the end of the day. It might be those guys are the same guys that launched this one, and they're just trying to give it attention by doing that. So it could be the old Safe Moon team launched this one and played this social sort of the psyop, so that it's basically marketing. I would think it's actually more likely that.
I guess they type it just to not get sued more because they pretty likely have some stuff going on right now with the lawyers.
So you see, what is Source saying? Bullish, you guys fumbled the ball and effed up for investors. Time to sit down and shut the fuck up. So, you know, Safe Moon already has a good community. So if this is not a rug, it could actually run, because all the people from the old Safe Moon guys, they'll come back. They'll be supporting this project, saying that, oh, he said all the money made will be paid back to the Safe Moon people.
Oh, the bulb.
I'm here to just watch, man.
Shilling it as well.
Yeah.
I know this guy from Dubai.
Ado says he got in at 3 mil. That's a good one, bro. W to you. Or will retire.
To the moon. Oh, it's number 5 on Dextrainer now.
Or will retire. They choose to wake up to this life. What life will you wake up to? Or will retire. Okay.
All right, the price is already 36, but you still don't want to get your initial, right? You're holding it.
I'll let it run. I'll let it run a bit.
All right. Let's see.
Just refresh my bot here to see.
Is the bot a huge thing? Like, are the guys actually following bots? Because like, I'm still want to ask my team to build something, just to cook something. Maybe even AI related, you know, just to put some metrics and let AI analyze it for us.
I think, yeah, you can sort of, if you can figure out one that is a bot that you can just communicate in human language, I think that would be a good play.
Oh, this is so easy. You know, the human. I've been building some bots just for fun.
But this coin is pretty fun. Can you just look at the website? All will retire. Retirement for all.
Free retirement
aspiration, retirement for all, aspirational living for all. And it's literally like a most mid-curve narrative and website. You know, a guy waking up in the middle of Abu Dhabi somewhere, I don't know, in a beautiful villa or a penthouse. And it's like a government website, our vision. And, you know, people smiling. Community-oriented. Easily identifiable. Disclaimer. Investment comes with risk. Fuck, this is the most mid-cap shit I've seen in a while. Okay, I'll watch it. Let's see.
Which one? They all will retire?
All will retire. Don't you want to retire?
Okay, yeah, of course. Can you send the CA? I want to retire badly. Can we just retire online?
All will retire.
Thank you.
You sent me this contract address. You say Bull BNB is selling. What's that?
No, no worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. All we retire. 6 mil.
All will retire. Are they ragging Seth Moon now already? Come on, guys. We can do better than this. Like, the cheating needs to stop. There is nothing to rag here. It's $35 freaking million. You guys, there's no money to be made here.
Yeah, the price is still good for you.
Yeah. Okay, this guy got in with $12,000. You see, now this is what I like to see. It's a Chad. We need more buys like that. Big buys, big buys, big buys. Let's study. Okay, so I'm looking at SO trending bot. It's reporting to my account that, okay, Seth Moon is trending right now. It's full-blown trending. $18 million market cap.
I guess they're just burning more.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Where can I get the coin supply?
Let's scan on X to see what is going on in the trenches of X.
That's pretty weird. My camera just decided to turn off. I'm sorry, guys. I will.
Let's just look at the sentiment. Well,
Yeah, for those who wondering.
Deployed.
Huh?
I'm considering launching the official Fred Krueger meme coin with the exact same terms and same smart contract as the Trump coin. Good idea. Anyway.
BRRR. It's buy rug.
Imagine once the TikTok and IG reels of normies going apeshit saying Seth Moon is back. Yeah, I think this is really a good narrative. It's strong, really. Because Seth Moon had a lot of followers. It was one of the most mid-curve plays ever.
I want to see the CoffeeZilla shield this coin. Like, this is maybe the better opportunity than the actual safe moon.
Oh yeah, exactly. If he had say that, it would definitely rip. Look, someone actually, someone said exactly what you said, but in a different way. Says, you really think Hakusan gonna rag Seth Moon when CoffeeZilla follows him and he's fully doxed? Come on, now things matter. Definitely, that's actually another way to think about it.
And the price may go up. Yeah, listen to my calls, guys. It's not financial advice.
Alex, don't buy Seth Moon, please.
No. I'm not touching this. I'm not touching this. Everything is for you. Everything is for you. Guys, you know the main rule right now? Now we have one more rule of the Memecoin Show. Never buy whatever I'm buying.
If Alex buys, it's over.
Yeah, it's done.
Game over.
I came here to lose money. You guys coming here to make money. I need to buy a new cam. Mine is overheating every time and start screaming here.
Yeah, you need a simpler camera. I would say like one of these that I have. They have the Pocket, the Osmo. The Osmo Pocket, they call it.
I will find a new runner and I will upgrade everything.
Bro.
Oh, the first thing I need is a table. Dude, I maybe even start to donate gold for the table because the standing table, I'm keep missing it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's the main thing. You have to keep moving. Oh, no supply burn yet. Wait for supply burn. Chad move.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bro, like if he just burns it, I don't know when he's going to do, but if he burns it, it's definitely going to send. So I think what it did is someone created the contract and sent 50% of the supply to the OG holder of SafeMoon. And then boom, things are starting to happen now.
I will be giving away all of the liquidity fees. This is a genius move.
Yeah.
Now I want to run the same one with Luna.
Exactly. People have tried. There was already a Luna play today. I think it ragged at 22 mil or something. Maybe less.
It's fine. It's happened sometimes.
Yeah.
Hey, Alex, good morning. Love from Uganda. Good morning for you guys. Thank you for watching us. Just keep in. The trenches never sleep.
Guys, are you following the SafeMoon play? Like, when is this guy going to burn the supply?
I'm looking at everything right now. Hank.
Let's see. Either we're going to get slow rugged to 0 or it's going to pump.
Oh, just now. It's happening in live.
It's happening live, guys. It's why you watch the Memecoin Show. I invested in this, and some of you guys are also in the same play. Now let's just see what happens.
I can see what people coming on my stream to be sure I'm not buying it.
We'll see if it's a rug or not.
Oh, pretty soon. It's always happening like... One is became popular, it's always happening super fast. I will keep looking at pump.fun. I want to actually trade some. Maybe I will wait until the 4 a.m. my time again, because last time it worked.
Okay, let me change my stream to trading SafeMoon live, SafeMoon trading. Or I'll just say SafeMoon is back.
Maybe I will wait until the 4 a.m. my time.
4 a.m. of your time, what happens?
The markets start pumping the last time.
Oh, yeah. That time. But we're approaching that time. Like, it's also 4 a.m. my time. So it's, in my time, I have like 40 minutes until then, 50 minutes. I just updated I just renamed my chat on.
Yeah, the guys keep asking you, why can't you withdraw your profit? Because it's too small.
Yeah, because I see potential in this, exactly. And I'm a degenerate, so welcome to the show.
This is a good name of the stream.
I mean, I literally put it on my profile, degen of the highest order. So this is just what happens. It's just the game.
Right, yeah.
Why is it not allowing me to rename this stream, though? This is weird.
I may just sell everything, what I'm holding of Memecoins, and everything will pump.
Yeah. Alex, if you bought just a little bit, just sell it. The moment you sell it, will start pumping.
No. Unfortunately, I wish I do. But I've told you, like, there is some of your guys who come in here just to make sure I'm never got any. It's going a little up, slowly but surely. I can see the trend.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's steady, lads. You just got to stay steady. Let's see what happens.
Oh, so the bot made like, oh, the bot make like 600K of the safe moon by sandwich attacks, I guess.
The bro, should just live by what he's saying. He should just live. If he said he was gonna burn the shit out of it, take the fee money, buy more of the token. That this is what we want. This is the energy we want.
This is the energy of true CTO.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's keep hyping it. He keep posting on his X, the CTO.
Oh yeah?
Yep, 4 minutes ago.
I love that guy. What's his name again?
Hank Usun. Alex, what's your YouTube and Twitter account? My Twitter account is Chain Hustle. Oh, let me see. Let me send you a link for Hank in Telegram.
I got it. It's here on the website.
Oh, all right, yeah.
Okay.
You're back on 20 mil?
I have more right to use the SafeMoon name than some morons who bought dead IP. I helped grow the fucking thing in the first place, but more importantly, I didn't launch this, so they can be upset all they want. It wasn't me. I'm just CTOing this bitch because that's what the trenches want. He's with the trenches, guys. He's with the trenches, chat. W chat if you're enjoying the return of SafeMoon, and this time around for the people, SafeMoon might be back. But I will not get too excited yet. I'll wait until we hit $50 million. That's when I'm going to get jacked up. For now, let's just watch and pray. We're so back, man. SafeMoon might be back. Leave whatever you're doing right now, chat, leave it alone and pay attention to the stream right now.
What the heck? It's all good. Bro is base. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, we need more CTOs like this.
Chat, can you let's raid his tweet and tell him to come on the stream with Grey BTC. You have to mention me. You have to at me in the comment section so that we can bring him on. We need to do that. Let's try to get him on. Be like, yo, jump on the stream with Grey BTC. You have to mention me, and we'll select the winner of today's live stream from the people that are interacting. You must like the video, repost, and comment, and make sure you invite Hank to come on the stream right now. We have to bring Hank on here.
Yeah, I'm texting right now. Have come on live for the trenches.
Yeah, exactly. For the trenches, Hank.
Grey BTC. Live.
Let's see who else is commenting for the trenches. Yeah, this is for the trenches, man.
What is CTO? CTO is the guy who launched.
I like the vibe, man. The moment other guys like Frank and all the other guys come in, it's going to be amazing. Buy a stadium and put our name on it. Hank Moon. And you know what? I think someone else is gonna launch a new meme called Hunk. I'm pretty sure about that one.
Oh yeah. Oh
So
yeah.
we need to start
wait,
scanning
wait, wait,
already.
wait. We must find it.
Let's start scanning for Hunk.
Yeah, it's already. It's been 19 years. Oh, 19 hours. 19 hours. It's already rocked.
Okay.
But it will be a new one.
But now because Seth Moon is coming back, it might.
Yeah,
actually
yeah,
return.
for sure. Yeah, for sure. Oh, Hank hosted a space last night to when it was 0.01. I fell asleep and saw it at 0.07. That's why you have to be in an alpha group, just to share these options with everyone, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on? Oh, I guess my camera is fine now. I need to run it back.
Seth Moon, run it back, Seth Moon, to the freaking moon. Run it all the way back.
At some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat
Mischief.
as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor.
Yeah, he is running it. He like burning it. He doing giveaways. He doing some memes about it. He reposting the actual safe moon. I like this. This is a pure vibe, you know?
Yeah, I mean, this guy's bringing the vibes. So, guys, the goal right now, the meta has changed. It's all about every day there's a meta. So what we're doing here, just trying to find one for today. It might work, it might not, but we have to believe. You mean you burned $12,000 of fake moon token, not Seth Moon, because you have zero affiliation with him? Go harder, bro.
Oh, I see what's going on. Guys, I need to...
Right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Oh, want to be.
We call them poor.
Agent Cookie.
We call them poor. Okay?
All right, now we are cooking. Now everybody can see me. Finally. Oh, maybe it's a smart way to buy the actual safe moon. What's going on with actual safe moon? Let me see. Coin market cap, safe moon.
You know what? It won't work because it's not on Solana. It's a whole different chain on its own. It's just weird to happen. I would be surprised if it really does happen. Because the reason why everything is flying on Solana is because that's where the liquidity is there. People got phantom wallets, they got all the bots. So if you're gonna run a coin that they can only trade on an exchange and sign up and all that, it's just not gonna work for them.
I mean, it's actually went up if we compare the price with yesterday, but the price was 4 zeros and 5, and now it's...
And you know what? That's good for this Seth Moon, because the moment that one starts going up and people talk about Seth Moon, they're not going to look at which one is the real Seth Moon. They'll look at the one on Solana. They'll be like, what? On Solana, everybody, a lot of people are normies. They don't even know that this Seth Moon existed. When they hear Seth Moon, straight up they're going to go to pump.fun and look for the Seth Moon on pump.fun, on Moonshot and all that places.
I can't stop, dude. I keep following every other person who following me. It's just so funny. They reposting, they liking us, they supporting us, and you support them back. You want to support them back.
It's what we do, man. It's all about love and community here, guys. We're gonna make it all together. Every day we show up here, we do the same thing. We look for the trenches.
Oh, it's the funniest thing I've seen so far for today. Dude, I've asked in X, so what do you guys love in our streams and in Memecoin Show? And the guy told me what he knows, but he is not alone losing money in there.
Surf Moon, guys. Bro, I don't know what song is this. I was playing Michael Saylor's song, and then it just came on its own. It's called Groovy Deep House Mix Session by Ray's Music.
Oh, brother, I'm sorry. They keep asking in chat what's my Twitter account. My Twitter account is Chain Hustle.
Yeah, Chain Hustle. That's
not hard to find.
That's him right there.
I want to ask the guy one more time, the honk, to come on the live. You need to speak with him. He's a G right now. He is running it.
That man is a straight G. I give him that.
Repost, like.
We're just waiting for a breakout to the top, and then from there, because what we need, it just needs to run up to 50 mil. And then a lot of people will start copying, it'll become popular, and then people will start jumping on board again.
And maybe some old holders are selling right now, so that's what happened. The agent. Oh, USA. Yeah, let me look it up actually. I forgot about it. I'm still hodling or whatever. It's down.
Yeah, USA is down bad. The only thing with it is that it has potential that it could come back.
I know we forgot about something great. We did forgot about it.
What did we
and
forget?
I actually hate this thing. We have to ask every time to smash the like button, you know?
Yeah, guys, we don't have to be telling you that. You already know. It's just how the internet game works. If we want to win and to succeed and to make sure that more and more people are coming on the stream, then we definitely need to be retweeting, interacting, and asking questions. We want the vibes. So you can't just be watching, not even leaving a like. We do this for free for you guys. So the least you can do is support us back by just doing the bare minimum.
That is basically the only thing we're asking for.
Yeah. Yeah, I believe that there's potential here.
Every time I'm finding a person who's supporting the whole community, us or whatever, like even just Memecoins, I want to follow him badly, like every post and stuff, repost and help, because I know as long as we supporting ourselves in our community will win.
Yeah.
The whole community of Memecoins will win. And as the Trump show us, we can actually win all together. He just came and everybody who've been in the community wins. And yeah, of course, those one who get it with their credit card lost. But anyway.
Safe moon, safe moon. Okay, there's a new play here called Bean. It's just graduating. Let's observe and see where it goes there. I don't know what it's about, but you never know.
What's going on? So let me try to explain for everybody what's actually going on with the Safe Moon. There been a token which was backed by huge KOLs and by a huge team. I wouldn't drop their name because I'm not sure if I'm right on it, but it's kind of like Face Clan or something, and they just backed the coin and rug pulled everybody. They got it way earlier than they announced it, and they started selling the moment they announced it. And so there was a huge investigation and huge deal by the CoffeeZilla guy. And basically, I guess they got a lot of lawsuits and stuff. They got huge problems of it. Their reputation is wrecked as well, forever, I guess. And there is a guy. The guy is G himself. And he launched the Safe Moon coin on the Sol. And not only that, but he also gets reposted by the main Sol to a coin by telling what it's not an actual Safe Moon coin, it's some fake one. But the whole community of meme coins stand with their back at this guy and supporting him and calling away the actual Safe Moon as scammers. And this guy is a G. So he doing pretty good things for the community. He burning some supply, he sending some supply for the liquidity. He also promised to give away all the fees was generated from the liquidity position for the people, to the people who lost money on the Safe Moon. And we find that at the price and the market cap of 16 million, and now the market cap is 22. I guess Gray was able to already make 2x on it, but he decided to stay because it feels like it's just a runner for tonight. And all of this you can see here on the live every day in the trenches. So stay tuned. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
$23 million. I need to find a new hunk. 19 hours? 2 hours? No. from starting to think you weren't the scammers devs, LMAO. Why are you defending scumbags so heavily? Yeah, everybody is calling out the guys who trying to cover the actual safe moon. This is kind of the game I want to see in the meme coins world.
Of calling out scammers?
Yeah. I mean, everybody agreed what the meme coins can be a rug pull, and nobody really cares. So if somebody rug pulling, not like teaching everybody how to rug pull, but just did some shady moves, nobody will actually blame him because it's what happens all the time. But if you launch your own blockchain, dude, this is what means a bad game.
Yeah. Okay, guys, if you're just joining us, we're basically locked in on Safe Moon right now. We're trying to, we think that it could be the run of today. So the meta in crypto, especially in the trenches, meme coins have changed everything. Things are no longer what they were. Every day, it's basically a new meta, a new coin, new topic. And yesterday we were on Elon. The day before that, it was Vine. After Vine, it was Elon. And today we think Safe Moon might be the runner. So, we're in, I bought in, and a couple of other people that are watching us here. Just remember, this is not financial advice. I'm a degenerate trader. I come here online, I buy shit, I make money, I lose money. It's just part of the game. I like it. So if you're watching, please, nobody's telling you to do anything here. You can watch, just be entertained, or you can take action. It's up to you. But I believe that this is the greatest opportunity of our time if we're ever going to make money at all. And it's meme coins. And we believe and we're doing something about it. And it's fun to do it with a community like you. That's why we're here, so that we can do it all together. It's almost 4 a.m. in my time zone, and I'm still eye-wise watching, making sure I don't miss out on any action. Because if I was sleeping right now, I was definitely going to miss out on this, Alex, which is what we discussed before. If we were sleeping, be like, oh, it's late now, let's go to bed. Oh, you miss out.
It's never time to go to bed anymore. It's just a different game right now.
I don't have a girlfriend anymore. She left me because I'm never in bed. I'm always up like this. If you watch the previous streams, I was always next to someone all the time. All of them left me because I'm in the trenches too much. And for me and some of you guys, it's either we make $100 million this cycle or I work at McDonald's. I don't care anymore. Safe Moon, send it. We got the best CTO dev right now cooking. The return of Safe Moon is coming back, possibly. Let's see what happens.
Have you seen my picture working in a McDonald's? I'm gonna do the same with you.
Where is that? Is it on your X account?
Yeah, it's mine. It's on my X.
Okay, let me go check it out.
I'm posting some memes here. I mean, I'm in the meme community. I want to do some jokes around,
Yeah. Very, very important.
Yeah, this is the best one with the Trump.
Why I don't see you when I type Alex? It's very strange.
I'm not Alex. I mean, I'm 0.0x Alex or a chain hustle at chain hustle. Here it goes. What goes? Oh.
Damn, bro. What do we call the Russian McDonald's now? Because you guys got a new name for everything.
Oh, tasty, and that's it.
Guys, when I was in Russia last week, we were drinking coffee at Stars Coffee, not Starbucks, but Stars Coffee, with the exact same logo, just a different name.
Star Coffee stuff, yeah, that's hilarious. Oh, it's 30 mil right now. So you are in the good profit.
Amazing. Does, chat, if you believe that SafeMoon CTO has motion, go ahead and retweet my post right now. I just asked the question, does SafeMoon CTO have motion? If you think he has motion, go ahead and retweet that right now.
Do we want to check my luck at this one? I'm gonna buy some, no?
Oh, Hank just burned it. I think we're about to gigasend, guys. We're about to gigasend to the moon. We're about to gigasend. I think he just burned it. I saw his tweet right now. I think he said something. He said something about burning. Oh, you can see he just jumped off from now entry. Now it's still going up to the moon, guys. I think he just burned it all. This guy doesn't care. He's a burner.
That's just crazy.
Yeah? The tokens that burned would be worth more than $20. Okay. The tokens that he burned would be worth more than $20 million. Let's see what this number gets up to. Yeah. I mean, yeah, this guy is really a Chad and aura. The bro got motion, you cannot deny that. W chat if you believe this guy is a G. What I like about it is that it's not happening behind the scenes without him knowing. He's really playing the game with us. He's live, he's watching what's going on, and he's locked in. Oh my God. $30 million, send this freaking baby to the moon, guys. Send this baby to the freaking moon right now.
And it's still too early. Because the US market never went up yet.
Yep. I haven't seen any of the KOLs started shilling. You know, you got like a bunch of all these KOLs. They'll come back. They'll come in here and start shilling it. Let's see what they do.
They waiting for the time when the price go down because they don't want to shield when the price is so high, so they will not be able to buy more.
Yeah, we'll see what they can do. Let's see what they're going to do now. Nap time in the US? No, this is the time that the US launches have been happening lately. So it's definitely not nap time.
Watcher. I'm opening every single meme coin on BullX right now, and every single is racked already. That's just crazy. The Safe Moon is an only play, but I've missed it already. Or maybe not. 27 mil is not so high for this one. It's my go to the like 200 mil. Easily. Yeah, it's so funny. Everybody just waiting here. You know, we are in the waiting room. More laps, more dong. Check safe moon on maxes also. So the point of this is like people can just they seeing the name of the token on X and they straight away start to try and to buying it. And the fastest way to buy something is to go to the actual exchanges and just buy. So they typing and they start to thinking what it's already listed, but it's old one. All right, Habibis, I'm gonna be right back.
Chat, can you still hear me? Okay, chat, my microphone is not working. I just changed it. So let me know if you can still hear me. Very important. All right, perfect. We're riding Safe Moon right now, guys. It's the play of the day. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Dwayne. We're going to be rich in 2025. Because, guys, we want what we're doing right now. We'll keep on doing it every day. And all it takes is one opportunity like this where we catch a runner early enough. And then it goes to $1 billion overnight. And then all of us are good from there. So believe in the play, believe in the trenches. This is where opportunities are made. But just don't fool yourself that it's going to be easy. It's not. It requires repetition. Every day we have to show up. And the more we show up, the higher the frequency. The higher the chance that we will be able to catch something big. It might be today, it might be another day. But never quit on the trenches, guys. Very important. Yeah, the Melania narrative was definitely that it's Trump's wife, anything can happen, right? And then it was kind of like a presidential meta. It's just that the way it was launched was terrible. Like a day after Trump, I think they could have let Trump launch, go to 100 mil, and then drop another one at some point, or even just airdrop it. Safe Moon will flip Safe Moon. A lot of people are saying that. Yeah, that's true. That's going to be interesting to watch if it happens for real. And we've got a real Chad dev here who is not going to sell, who's burning the tokens instead of doing anything else with it. Yesterday I did post that the live stream was rugged because of audio problems. But
what
Alex,
did I miss? Yeah, I've been streaming for a while.
Yeah, Alex still streamed last night. Someone is asking about Elon. Yeah, so I lost money on Elon coin because it went all the way down, and then our stream got messed up yesterday.
Oh, you got more?
No, I didn't buy more.
Oh, it's just the other B.
What about Trump coin? I think Trump is going to come back. It's going to melt faces, but then you need to have a lot of balls to buy and hold it, because we talked about it also earlier on, that there are bigger whales that are accumulating that coin. So if you have the balls to hold on to it, I think it's not a bad play to buy. Once we break out of where we are right now, we're struggling under under $30 million. Once we break out 30 mil again, we're gone, guys. We're going to bull send from there to like 50 and then to 100 mil. We just need one breakout is all we need right now.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a chill day today, you know. I've been preparing just for sit in a bit and see the market and see what's nothing really going on. But the whole safe moon changed the game, you know.
Guys, if you haven't lost your girlfriend yet or your boyfriend yet, you're not doing enough. I can tell you that right
now. Casey, we're breaking up.
What is Casey saying? Is she not worried right now about you?
No, because I've never got any safe moon. That's why. Oh, I hope she's not sleeping, because it's still late on here and I'm screaming on my bed.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the neighbors in this building, they will report me that there's a guy here who keeps on screaming and hitting tables. I think something is wrong. You need to investigate.
Oh, it's the best thing about my apartment though. My neighbors are pretty loud usually, and I'm never complaining about them. So if they will try to complain, I will just crush it, you know. So I can do whatever I want. I can scream as loud as I can.
Right.
As loud as I want. Guys, I can see what on the gray live stream it's 170 people watching right now and it's only 62 likes. Please smash this like button. It's that simple. Not asking for more. Smash the like button, subscribe button, everything.
Smash it, guys. Smash it.
Smash. Yeah, it's some kind of new meme with this face. But it's just right, alright.
Getting rugged left, right, and center, but we will catch something soon.
Yeah, it's usually happening around this time.
Yeah, exactly. Around 4 a.m. Yesterday was also around exactly the same time.
Right.
So, you know, we might be on the cusp of catching something nice. Who knows?
I wish I was as calm as Alex. Brother, I missed so much in crypto back in the day. I did make some money on Ton especially, but like it's been a while. It's been a long run for me. And I'm drinking beautiful Chinese tea. Habibis, you can't just believe it, you know, you have to try it.
That's the life, man. That's the life.
I'm in the trenches with the best people on earth, drinking the best tea on earth. I'm happy as hell. Is the same one on Dex screen or safe one? Yeah, it's this one. It's just a different market cap because it was burned, we guess. Burned.
Guys, if you're watching, like the video, retweet, subscribe to the channel. It's good vibes only here.
Good vibes.
We're waiting for a breakout on Safe Moon right now. $30 million just have to go. We just have to go above 30 mil. And then everything else is gonna be amazing. Okay, so last night, 17 hours ago, he received actually 500 million tokens. 100%.
This guy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hunk. And then he has burned it. At that point, if he wanted to, he would have just swapped and walked away with some free money. But he didn't do that. This guy is a real chat, guys.
DJ Alex. Yeah, we need some music, guys.
But I'm playing music in the background. You guys can hear it? Alex, I understand if you don't hear it, but chat should be able to hear it because they asked me about it. They are like, whose music is that?
Yeah, if I will run your stream, it will double everything, so I'm not doing it. But I have some music on the background as well.
Right. What camera do you have? This is an DJI Osmo Pocket or something like that.
It's pretty good though.
Yeah, I like this camera. It's the best camera for me because I have this one here. It's like a S7C or something like that, Sony. It's so bulky. So I travel a lot and I got tired of having it in my bag and all that. Now I travel the way I like, super light. I put the camera in the gym bag. It doesn't even feel like a thing at all.
Let me make the light a little bit less so we are actually in the trenches. Yeah, this is better. Official Wheels coin. OVC. Let me look it up. Oh.
Okay, lots of net flows for Trump in the last 24 hours. $1.3 million. Jupiter, just less than a mil. Filecoin, 800K.
And special thanks for everyone who reposting our tweets. This is a huge support, guys, from you.
Okay, it seems like there's a bunch of people buying a coin called AIDS.
AIDS.
AIDS, like HIV and AIDS. AI Death Star. It's bonding right now. Wow, this guy just clipped out $16,000 from it, man. Already.
Which one?
Rug. So out of 5 people, they have already rugged each other off. Man, these guys are super jits. Oh, he got in big and they exited already. Oh, they were just putting in the money to bond quickly. Scam play. They're just playing to bond. We don't trust these guys.
Well, I opened it up and I thought it's rugged already. Because
It's
the
rugged
last
already?
rate was... Yeah.
We
probably.
got
Maybe it's
rugged. We got rugged already. Wow. Welcome to the trenches, Habibis. Did we get rugged or this is just a dip? We'll find out quick.
I mean, the last rate was a minute ago.
Yeah, let's see.
The best feeling I having so far when I'm trading is the token I never got and they getting rugged. Not like some 1 minute coin, but like when they slowly rugging.
Chat, are we getting rugged, you think? 21 million.
On which one? On SafeMoon?
Yeah. You have to look at the real market cap, not the one on Dick Screener. You have to look at from BullX. It's a much better number to work with, I think.
I just realized what the actual name is. SafeMoon. It's not safe. It's safe. So it's supposed to be safe, and they rocked everybody.
Exactly.
I mean,
so it was the most mid-curve play, because by SafeMoon, it was like we're going to the moon, but this one is safe.
Safe way, yeah.
Right, because it came out at the time where there was a lot of rugs in crypto as well. People were losing money left and right.
Backed by heavy calls. Who was just backing the coin. What a play. And it seems like it's funny, but it's not actually funny. Those guys are a piece of shit.
Noah. Are you talking about this Noah? Check Noah. Islam. Noah. Are we getting rugged here, or are we going to go to the moon? Nobody knows, but we're in the play right now. SafeMoon is the play of the day. We'll find out. The dev is a Chad, and he has made a bunch of promises, including burning the tokens. And we still have big buyers still coming in here. Okay, a lot of big bidders. 0.6 for Solana. A lot of people are buying, trying to accumulate in there. Yeah. Okay, so I just reduced my position on SafeMoon by 50%. I had a big position, now I reduced it just to be safe. Yeah, just to be safe. Even Sif Moon can be Rag Moon. You never know, bros. Yeah. These are the trenches. So no, it's not what's going. If this is supposed to run, it's supposed to just run. Like what happened yesterday with Elon, like all the way. It happens in a very short period of time. This one is taking a little too long. So when things like this happens, people start losing trust and then they start selling. Right now, people don't have time to wait anymore. Who's ragging exactly? Yeah, the dev, it could be not, yeah, the dev could be ragging the original dev and also a bunch of people that bought in early. That were, maybe they follow him and then they bought it after it came out. What platform am I using to trade? I'm using BullX. Links to all the platforms that I use are in the description. I use Bybit to go long and short. BullX to snipe. It's my bot to trade in Telegram, and also is a good interface here to get in and out of position, but also to scan for alpha. So I go to Pump Vision here. I look around what's going on. And then I also use CoinW to sort of like a centralized exchange platform. So you can go and check those ones out. So there is a dev who created the token, but he just sent it to one of the top holders of SafeMoon. So the SafeMoon holder is the one basically making all the noise, kind of like his CTO'd it. I see Frank is pushing this Yay coin. Yeah. I don't know if this is the one that Frank has posted, but which yay are these guys talking about, guys? Ah, it's this one. Because it's got 18 million trading. Rugged. Rugged. But I'm wondering, I can't see it. No, this is fake. Yeah, it's fake. I was wondering, where is the Yay coin? Because if there is one play that I'm waiting for, is the Yay play. No, I think he likes Bitcoin, but it's kind of anti the Memecoin stuff. Okay, Seth Moon recovering now from the death spiral that he just went through, so that's at least assuring. He's still holding. Yeah. I mean, with meme coins, not so much, but with traditional altcoins and Bitcoin and Ethereum on the daily, when I'm trading derivatives, long short, I use Nitros Bull, which you can get from Crypto University.network, and you go to Signals here. I use this one. So the Nitros Bull indicator, it's very, very effective. You put it into your trading view and it basically just gives you signals, bull and bear, depending on what's going on, and you just follow it. Keeps your trading easier. So like I can open it up here on BTC like this. Yep, this is what it looks like. Oh, I need to turn it on. So if you wake up, you're like, okay, just want to trade BTC and make some money. This is how it looks like. And you can reduce the time to like 4 hours, right? Here it said bear, you go short. Here it says bull, you go long, bear, short, bull, long, and you can be making money in those places. It works on any token here. So it's $200 once-off payment, cryptouniversity.network, and you can get it from there. The recycling guy seems like he sold his vehicle to ape into Seth Moon, and now he's questioning his decision a little bit. We'll see how it ends, man. It's just a play. I still think that it's a good meta if they don't fumble the bag. The guys who are holding the majority of the tokens, they just shouldn't fumble it. It's a good narrative. Is it too late to put money on Vinecoin? Bro, I don't know what to tell you, but I can tell you right now that crypto is in a very weird state right now. Like every day is a new play. So unless what you want to buy is something of some kind of utility, if it's just a narrative meme coin, these coins are expiring very fast. Today is one, tomorrow is the next one, and the next day is another one, and people just don't care anymore. Ali is telling me about Bebe a lot. Let's look into Bebe. Okay, this is not it. Do you like AI16Z and 1X? I do like AI16Z. In fact, on this channel, we got into AI16Z. For those in the alpha group, we got into it at 40 million. On this channel, we got it at like 80 to 100 million. So a lot of people in the alpha group, they made a lot of money on AI16Z and Fatcoin and stuff like that. Okay, guys, it's 4 a.m. here. I have a meeting at 8 in the morning. So maybe I should rug the stream, even though I would like to stay with you. But I need to go so that I can make my meeting in the morning. I need to take a nap at least a little bit. Before we go, guys, this is dgenware.store. If you see me rocking all the nice dgen merch, hats and t-shirts, you have to go to dgenware.store and you'll find everything you want here. SPX 6900, mugs, Make America Great Again hats, Mudang, Solana, Bitcoin t-shirts. I mean, beautiful merchandise, guys. Go there and get yourself something. Support the movement. It's the dgenware. It's a dgen platform. It's made with love for you. All right. Shout out to Alex for being here with us. I think I still have a little bit of money remaining in SafeMoon. I'll go to bed and hopefully by the time I wake up, it's not zero. Hopefully by the time I wake up, it doesn't go to zero. Yep. Alex, how did you get so old, bro, so quickly? Ah, I see. Meme coins are not stressful at all. I like it, bro. To the moon. Yeah. SafeMoon, guys. Crypto Rover is pumping a Ronaldo coin. What? Sue. It's probably rugged already because that was an hour ago. Yeah, but bro, these coins are so funny. So these guys, they posted the coin in the last hour and it's only 1% up in the last hour. But in the last 6 hours, it's up 1,500 times. Tells you everything you need to know. Okay. Yeah, you already know, bro. It's gonna rug. But guys, thank you for watching. I will definitely see you tomorrow. All right? Stay safe. If something important happens, please wake me up. I don't want to miss out on anything, okay? And I'll try to not dream of SafeMoon going to zero because I don't need SafeMoon to do that right now because I need it to pump. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Alex. Are you still gonna stream? Okay. So if you wanna watch Alex, you need to go to Chain Hustle on here at Chain Hustle on X, and then here you'll find the link to his YouTube channel here. I'm sure you're gonna like it, guys. Yeah. Every day, guys. We skip no days until we make $100 million. Every single one of us here, guys, we're gonna make godly changing money, life changing money. Yeah, exactly. Guys, you just have to know that it will take more than showing up once on the Memecoin Show and expecting to get a runner. It's every day. It's an everyday thing. Every day you have to show up and we will catch something, guys. But thank you for watching today. Hopefully SafeMoon does well and we all go to the moon. I'll see you later, guys. Peace out. I will pick a winner in one of the comments for today as well. Just like every day, somebody is going to get $100 in